Now the topic before us is chronic illness benefit. Who should consider it? We have learned that if we have chronic illness benefit cover, then in case of medically certified chronic condition, the insurance company will pay us the financial benefits as specified in the policy. So any person who thinks that if he suffers from chronic illness any time in future, he will get the benefit and he may purchase it. He may think to purchase it. Any person may think to purchase it. However, it depends upon the whether the person is having the attitude to go in for the purchase of that particular insurance product, or whether he is having the financial ability to go for pay for that. Now here we are here focusing on the particular point that who are those persons for which this chronic illness benefit is particularly essential. That is what who are those categories of persons who should or who must think to purchase it. Though any person can purchase it, but this benefit is especially valuable if you have a family history of chronic conditions. Some of your grandparents or parents may be having chronic illness problem, family history is there, or if you do not have a stand-alone long-term care insurance, you have not purchased any long-term care insurance, you are not having that, or if you have witnessed a family member's care event in the recent past, you may have seen in your own family that one of your family members or your near one person, sometimes in the near relatives, some person is suffering from some chronic illness and the financially the that family may be suffering due to that chronic illness, making the need for feel personal and urgent. So when one of the family members is already suffering from that issue, so such type of insurance seems to be the urgent requirement as well as the personal requirement. It may also be possible that you may want a safety net to protect your savings and retirement from being depleted by care costs. It may be possible that you are fearful that if I suffer from chronic illness anytime in future, it will adversely affect my savings or retirement funds. So why not to go in for the purchase of that chronic illness benefit? It depends on the thinking of the person also. Some persons may think that it is not likely to happen to me, whereas some others who do not want to take risk with their savings. So it differs from person to person. If a person thinks that I do not want to take risk with any chronic illness, if it happens to me, so such type of persons who have chronic illness history or want to save their savings in the event of any chronic illness, or do not have long-term care insurance, or where one of the family members is already suffering from some chronic illness, so such type of persons may think that it is especially valuable for them and they must go in for the purchase of this type of insurance. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.